the utility is going to supply more than 100 units of power to get the 100 that the motor wants to operate, right? So maybe the utility is supplying 130 units of power to get the 100 that the motor wants, because power is proper phase and polarity and all these other issues. So with our box, I say maybe the utility only has to supply 110 units of power to get the 100 that the motor wants. And we've got the smart box here, and it's turned off right now. And then just like every electrical panel, you have two main wires that come in. You have one that's coming from the line, which is from the utility, and then you have the load, which is, in this case, the wash machine motor. So I just turn this on to amp, and nothing's running right now, so it should be at 0. These always vary if you move them around a little bit, but okay. I turn this on power factor. Obviously, they're at perfect power factor 1.0 right now. And what's going to happen? I don't know if you can see that. What happens here is when I turn on the motor. Right now, just the motor's running, not the smart box. Okay. And we're using about 3.2, 3.3 amps, depending where you move these around. And the key here is, when you condition the power, you don't want to cut power to the motor because it's bad for the motor. People, like that printing equipment in Plymouth, you don't want to mess with that kind of stuff. It's expensive stuff. So you want to reduce the wattage, but you can't cut power to the motor. You can see here on power factor we're at 0.31 or about 31% power factor. So what I'm going to do is turn the smart box on, and you can see that the light's on. And okay, all right. And you can see here that we're still, the red is the load, so that's the wash machine motor. It's still using about 3.3 amps. But the line now is only supplying 1.1
How
amps.
about that? So there's your energy reduction right there.
There's your energy reduction, right? And that's about 2/3.
Yeah.
And when you look here at the power factor, we went up about 2/3. It's at 0.94, 94% right now.